Hey, I'm Dee, the original Garage Barbie, and today I'm here installing my Kentrol hood catch kit. As you can see, I've got my hood up and I'm ready to take off my old stock hinges. I've got my grill detached just a little bit. In the JKU, we don't have much room to get in here. I'm using a 13mm to take off the bottom, a 10mm to take off the top. I will do this off camera. There's not much room, so I'll swear a bit and I'll spare you. And I'll come back to show you how to do the Kentrol part. I'm back. All my stock pieces are off. Now when you get your Kentrol hood catch kit, it comes in 6 different pieces. Now if you get it and you don't know what you're looking at, I'm here to help. Now you have your hood catch, which is going to come up here. Originally it looks like this. This is your stock piece. Then you have your hood latch, which goes down here. This is your original hood latch. This is the hood latch body, which is going to hook into here. We'll hook that in with an Allen wrench. I'm going to be using an 8mm and I think it's a 4mm, I'm right, and a 10mm wrench and a 13mm wrench to put those all in, and we're going to get this started right away. So I'm putting the hood latch in. I'm going to place my washer. Now this is a really tight space. When I say tight, I mean really tight. Have my washer on, add the nut. Make sure everything's straight. And then I'll use my 13mm wrench to tighten this up, and we'll move on. Alright, I'm now installing the hood catch. Line up the holes. Make sure it's all straight. Washer. And the nut. I'm using a 4mm Allen wrench and a 10mm socket wrench to tighten these nuts. Now I'm going to connect the body of the hood latch using an 8mm Allen wrench. Hold it straight. And pull out just a little bit. You don't want it too tight because you're going to want to test it. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll test the hood. Both sides are installed now. We did go through and make sure there was no hood flutter, so we tightened them up a little bit. They look great. It took about a half an hour taking the stock off and putting all the Kentrol products in. They look amazing. Thanks, Kentrol.